Hello folks, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily fundamental video analysis. In today's price action, it looks like the day is going to be immensely weak. Why? Because the price action looks very dismal and abysmal. Why? There is enormous amount of fear that the second wave of coronavirus is emerging over in the United States. Hence, we're seeing the US futures down well over 500 points, as you can see in the chart. This comes in addition to 300 points losses for the Dow Jones index that we experienced yesterday, folks. So we have the US indices, the Dow and the S&P posting 2 days of back-to-back losses. And when we shift the narrative, and actually when we shift the gear and move to the European indices, the DAX index has recorded already 4 days of consecutive losses. So the question is, if this is something bigger than the correction? Well, for now, the price action, the abysmal price action is primarily for two major reasons. First of all, the headline that came out, and then it said that yes, the US indices have recovered their COVID-19 lows, the losses. That triggered some sort of a profit taking among investors and traders. Secondly, there is this notion that coronavirus cases have started to re-emerge, and some speculators have started to saying that yes, this is the second wave of coronavirus because the US economy has started to reopen. But the fact is that the US economy never actually got the actual control of coronavirus disease throughout the country. Yes, the control of a disease was a lot more better in New York, which was the epicenter for this disease within the United States, because the cases were through the roof. But now the hospitalization rate in Texas is also through the roof, and this has made investors worry if we are about to see the second wave of coronavirus, and because the similar message is also echoed in California and Florida as well. So, and these are the places where the reopening of the economy really began, and now you are really linking the 2 points and then thinking that whether this is more than just a current sell-off, and if we are about to see the second wave of coronavirus. Now, in terms of a commodity market, the crude oil, WTI, the current month contract plunged yesterday because of the crude inventory data. Remember, we also had a data the night before that, and that also confirmed the similar message as well. Of course, traders were quick on there, and then they started to take the profit off the table. Now, given the fact today, there are questions that if the US economy is not going to reopen, let's just say, at the same magnitude, at the same pace that we have seen previously, or are we going to see some obstacles? This particular element has dented the demand for crude oil, and hence we're seeing this massive retracement for oil prices. And it doesn't matter whether you are looking at WTI or Brent, the losses are across the board in the energy sector. And of course, it is the same for the energy stocks as well, such as BP, Shell, ExxonMobil as well. Right, but you can always protect your downside and upside position by using AvaProtect. That's all for today, folks. I'll see you guys tomorrow.